Several hours, or a couple hours later. They're all laying down, so we're going to avoid them. That's very nice. Belle, stop. Thank you. Oh, they got up. Good, leave it, Belle. Disengage. Good girl. Blue. Thank you. Belle. Thank you. Good, leave it. Oh, bless you. Hold on, Blue. They're resting. Let's go potty. Oh my god, I gotta go. There's something new. It's a garbage can. Yeah, leave it alone, please. Thank you. We can go smell around it. That was for you guys, not him. All these weird, all these can tabs all over the place. Thank you. Good job. We're being watched by the ducks. Come on, Belle, this way. I see him, Blue. Go potty real quick. And we're going to bed. And we're going to go cuddle. Oh, man, I don't want to. I like that black and white one. All right, you guys done? Let's go cuddle. I know, we're gonna go in the back. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go cuddle. In the back. We don't cuddle up front, you know that. Thank you, ready? Go ahead, up. I'll meet you. I got too much stuff to show you. Too much stuff I don't want to show you. So I'm not going to show the inside. I'll help you. Alright, I need 2 hands for this. This is Scott with Effective Dog Behavior. Just watching birds.